Hello everyone, my name is Laili Rahmadania with NPM A1B02400. Today I will explain the content of a research journal titled An Analysis of Symbolism in Tennis Williams' play The Glass Menagerie. It was written by Eka Siswantara. The background and research purpose. The author begins by saying that symbols are a fundamental part of human life. We use them in religion, communication, art, and literature. In drama, symbols have expressed ideas indirectly. This journal specifically aims to understand the meaning of each symbol in the play and how they help emphasize the themes and characters. Next is research method. The study used a qualitative research method, which means it's focused on interpretation and meaning. The author used an objective approach based on H.M. Abrams' theory, which means she only analyzes elements inside the play, like dialogue, action, and setting, without looking at the author's life or historical events outside the story. Next is findings overview. The authors found that symbols in the Glass Menagerie appear in three main forms. Number one is symbols in the characters, objects that represent their personality. Number two is symbols in their characters, action, what they do has deeper meaning. Number three is symbols in the setting and the background, place and time that represent bigger ideas. Next is symbols linked to characters Laura. The author explained that Laura is represented through fragile object. The Glass Menagerie is her fantasy world where she escapes from reality because she is shy and sensitive. The glass unicorn symbolizes her beauty, rarity, and friendly. She is unique and fragile. The Victorical show her socially and conservative character. She breaks all records rather than going out. Blue Rose represents beauty and particularly Laura is pretty but different from other girls. Next is symbols linked to characters Tom. According to the authors, Tom's symbols are all about escape and freedom. The fire escape is his path to escape. He often goes there to smoke and dream of living. Movies are his refuge from depression and a symbol of his desire for adventure. The merchant marine represent real freedom and escape, just like his father who left home. The rainbow scarf and Corvic trip symbolize hope and the difficulty of escaping his trapped life. Next is symbolism linked to characters Amanda and Jim. For Amanda, the yellow dress and jonquil show her reluctance to let go of the past. She wears them to relive her young. Blue Mountain is a symbol of her glorious past. She often recalls racing 17 gentleman colors there. The Wingfield apartment represents her control over her children and act like a prison for them. For Jim, the gentleman color is a symbol of hope. Amanda believes a man like Jim can save Laura and the family from their painful reality. Next is symbolism in characters' action. The authors point out that some actions are not just events, they carry symbolic message. Tom breaking Laura's glass collection symbolizes how the family conflict shatters Laura's fragile world. Laura stumbling on the fire escape shows that she cannot escape like Tom. Jim breaking the unicorn's horn represents Laura becoming less fractious and more moral. Laura blow out the candles, symbolizes Tom to erase her memory as he tries to move on. Next is symbolism in setting and background. Places in the play are also symbolic. The apartment reflects the slow and implacable fire of human depression during the Great Depression. Paradise Dance Hall is where people go to escape their stressful lives. It's a symbol of temporary pleasure. Guernica reference to the horror of war and hits at the coming of World War II. Thames highlighted the true symbols. Through these symbols, the author says that the play explores escape versus reality. Characters live in illusion to avoid pain, fragility, and vulnerability like glass. Their dreams and relationship can break easily. Nostalgia and illusion, especially Amanda, who lives in the past, hope and disappointment. Jim brings hope but finally leaves the family in their illusion. The last is conclusion. The author concludes that Tennessee Williams is a master of symbolism. He used symbols not as decoration but a core tool to express the characters' inner struggle and play deeper themes. Understanding this symbol is essential to fully appreciate the emotional and psychology depth of the glass menagerie. Thank you for the listening. This has been a summary of Eka Siswantara Julnar on symbolism in the glass menagerie.